Hi friends, a very good morning to all of you. I welcome you all in day 2 and I know you all have done a great job. Yesterday, my dear friends, I read each and every one comment and I found that you all have, given your own what is your dream to live and why you have joined this group and you have answered for all my 3 questions. Thank you very much for that. Now, my dear friends, we are going to understand what exactly are we going to cover up into this session, okay, of today. And in today's session, my dear friends, first of all, which we will cover, first just see as an overview, okay, and the overview will be that first follow up and overview we will see. After that, my dear friends, the secrets of success of world class people. We are going to understand the secrets of success of world class people, how world class people performs and what are their secrets. Then another thing, my dear friends, which we are going to learn, that is 3 reasons why you must wake up at 5 a.m. 3 reasons why you must wake up at 5 a.m. Then how you can wake up at 5 a.m. How? Because my dear friends, yesterday I told you wake up at 5 a.m. but I did not give you how, because I wanted just you use your own method, okay, and that's why I didn't give you. But today I will give you the complete hack how can you wake up at 5 a.m. The next thing, my dear friends, that is what the exact routine and rituals which I follow, and the next thing after that which I'll give you, that is, my dear friends, the simple steps to wake up at 5 a.m. and today's task. This will be all overview of today's session, my dear friends. Right now, the thing is that just first of all we are going to discuss the follow up and overview. Okay, in follow up, my dear friends, first of all just understand, did you complete all 3 tasks? If your answer is yes, pat yourself. And but if your answer is yeah, I wanted to do but I didn't do, or if those who are in job and if they think like that, they were supposed to post their assignment but I closed the group by 10 p.m. So please don't worry. I giving you chance when you open the video, that time just you post your yesterday's task. I'll accept it and read it. Don't worry for that. Another thing, my dear friends, first and foremost, remember, I am going to read each and everybody's answers. Okay, so don't think like that you will send but nobody is going to read, because I have gone through speed reading, mind memory techniques and other things, so I know how to read in a glance. So don't worry at all. I will read. Might be I will not answer each and everyone. My answer will be holistic for everyone. Okay, but I will read each and everyone's comment, and wherever I will find to rectify, I will give my feedback onto that also. Okay, the next thing, my dear friends, what will be into all these 3 days tasks. Okay, did you complete all 3 tasks? The answer is yes. Okay, if not, then please go and post right now. The next thing is that, have you experienced any benefit, my dear friends? Have you experienced, did you go to digital detox of 24 hours as I gave you? Did you complete your digital detox, and what did you find? Okay, did you find any benefit, or did you find something which you find, oh yeah, it's good, yeah, why I just check my phones without any reason? Many time it happens, if we are sitting like that and just we open the WhatsApp, Facebook, random, okay, we watch random videos, my dear friends. All these are of the biggest distraction nowadays, okay, and it kills our concentration, focus forever. So that's why we need to stop all these activities. That's why I gave you that digital detox. Another thing, my dear friends, remember your why which you have given me, okay, yesterday. You have to remember it today. Just remember it, okay. It's not very big, my dear friend, maximum 5-6 lines are there, okay. So please remember your why. Write it down at least 5 times, 10 times until you are not able to remember, or just apply your own method, whatever is possible. Keep it on your wallpaper, keep it on your mobile screen, anywhere, and just you remember, okay, until you're not able to remember. Do not leave it. Please remember your why, my dear friends. After that, what you have to do, you have to read your why, you have to recall your why every day when you go to bed, okay, at night, and when you wake up early in the morning. First and foremost task you need to do, you need to read your why, okay, and keep a pen and paper. I will give you one more step. Write your why daily, okay. Another thing, my dear friends, one thing I noticed, many of them, you have said yes, I want so and so, you have written your why, but it is not detailed, my dear friends. We all of know what is goals and how to write goals, okay. Goals are always written in SMART, okay. SMART: specific, measurable, realistic, time bound, and achievable, right? So, my dear friends, what I'll say, your why please brief those, I'm talking to those people right now, those who has written his why, very short, okay, please enlarge, at least write it in 5 to 7 lines or 10 lines, okay, 5 to 6 lines, minimum 5 lines should be there, and get more clarity. I want money or I want financial freedom, right? But I will say, what is the definition of financial freedom in your life? How much money you want? Okay, if you're talking about I want to improve my relationships, so at what level, with whom I want to improve my relationship, please keep it secret with you. But you can say in some of the relationships I want to improve, but you mention because I want to know. My dear friends, I'll say, luck loves detail. Luck loves detail. Okay. Or opportunity loves detail. If you want opportunity, love detail. Give details. Okay. Write details. Speak in details. Do in detail. So because when you will start loving detail, then you will find a tremendous effect in your life. The next thing is that, my dear friends, which we are going to discuss today, you have removed your distractions. Okay. And that's great. That's great. I'll say you are awesome for that, my dear friends. And it is great work. It's not any Tom, Dick and Harry job. Okay. Next, my dear friends, you have replaced one toxic habit with productive habit. Okay, or with productive one. So I hope you have done this also. The next, my dear friends, the overview I'm giving you, that is, you have broken the instant of gratification addiction. You have broken the instant of gratification addiction. Means instant gratification. I want this, I want that at the time. My dear friends, when I gave you that digital detox was only to stopping that instant gratification. Because what happens, even if I told you, if you watch one video, your hunger or your coins doesn't stop there. You want to watch another video. If you listen one song, after that you want to watch another song. And my dear friends, we are going somewhere without way, without path, we can say that. Okay, so videos are good, but videos should be related to our goals. Okay, if we are watching towards our goals, it's okay, fine, otherwise it has no reason. So we will go ahead, we will next study all these things in detail. My dear friends, next overview is that now you are ready to build the new you, right? I'll say you are ready to build a new you in yourself, my dear friends. And this is the symbol of something which is very much important for you, for me, and for everyone, my dear friends. Okay, because this new you will help you a lot to achieve your goal. Now, the secret of success of world-class performance, my dear friends, we are going to understand. What is the secret of the world-class performance? Okay, first, secret number one, my dear friends, yesterday we discussed, okay, Ambani's, Ratan Tata, Bill Gates, all they have one thing in common. And what is that? And that thing is time. God has given everybody 24 hours of time. Even it's whether it's Narendra Modi, or whether it's Yogi Adityanath, or whether it's Rahul Gandhi or Sonia Gandhi or anybody. Okay, God has given, whether it's a beggar or whether it's a king, okay, whether it's a president or prime minister, whether it's a Indian or American, everybody has got 24 hours in our life. Okay, this is the biggest gift which God has given us, and we should spend this gift, my dear friends, wisely. Okay, I'll say till now we have not taken is as a gift, we have taken is as a, I'll say, we are taking it in a form of where we are not serious with time, my dear friends. Okay, and we have to take stand whenever we are spending our time with the people, the incident or the talk or the thought, we have to know what impact this situation is giving it to me. Okay, so just don't take it as a granted. Okay, take it seriously, my dear friends. Spend your time as you spend your money. Before giving anyone, you think over it whether I should give or not. Another thing, my dear friends, successful people wake up early. We have to understand this fact. All successful people, most of them wake up early. Okay, and if you will, I'll give you some examples like Indra Nooyi, CEO of PepsiCo, wake up at 4 a.m. my dear friends. Yogi Adityanath, he wake up also almost 3:30 to 4 a.m. between 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. which I know. Baba Ramdev, he wake up at 3 a.m. Okay, And my dear friends, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, he also wakes up under 4 to 5 a.m. Okay, which we know. Next thing is that Apple CEO Tim Cook wakes up at 3:45 every morning, my dear friends. Okay, and Richard Branson, Virgin Group, wake up at 5:45 a.m. daily. My dear friends, actor. Okay, if you will talk about some Akshay Kumar, he's a early ariser. He wakes up between 4 a.m. to 5 a.m. And my dear friends, in this way we will find a lot many the players, the athletes. Okay, and you can see the Olympic players. All they wake up at early morning. What is best in this early morning? What is special in this? Why people wake up? These people, they are successful, they have money, they have resources, everything, but why do they wake up early in the morning? Didn't you think, my dear friends, anyway? And if you didn't think, then I will tell you, my dear friends, they found something in that early hour, and those early hours somewhere make them wherever they are. Okay, I know some of the motivational trainer and gurus also says that, yeah, a newspaper vendor wake up early in the morning, but he's wherever he is, or a grocery person, or vegetable man, he wakes up early in the morning, but he's selling the vegetable from last 10 to 12 years. My dear friends, I understand your point. Okay, but here I will say only one thing. What is the lacking here? They wake up, it's very good, but the lack is that the universe will give you whatever you will ask. They have asked that they wanted to become a newspaper vendor, so that's why they are. A person who want to sell the grocery, or a person who want to sell the vegetable and fruit, he will be like that. Whatever you will ask, you will get. Read the book, I'll say Ask. Ask is also by Jim Brown. Okay, Ask and Receive, something like that. Okay, the title of the book is that, and it's a very beautiful book by Jim Brown. Please read this. Okay, and you will find a lot many facts into this book, my dear friends. Okay, the next thing is that so I gave you the many names here. Okay, and now if they wake up early in the morning and they have everything, they are powerful people, then why not you and me? My dear friends, do you know we are procrastinating a lot of work for a long time in our life. Okay, and because of that we have lost many things, and we repent in present and future both. So we spend our time, not we, I'll say, we waste our time in vain. Okay, but when you will wake up early, you will get more clarity, and how to get those clarity you are going to learn in further lines. Okay, the next thing is that, my dear friends, Virat Kohli, he also wakes up early in the morning. Okay, this Dhoni, he also wakes up early in the morning. And if you will talk about the sense of India, the gurus, okay, most of the people wake up early in the morning, because that time is something, my dear friends, I'll say Brahma Muhurt timing is something 3:45 a.m. somewhere. Okay, so it depends. I'm not saying you wake up at 3:45 a.m. because if you are in a metropolitan city, any of the state, okay, then it is very much tough to wake up 3:45 or 3 a.m. because most of the time people go to bed by 12 to 1 only. Okay, but the thing is that you can make it till 5 a.m. That's why I'm giving you an ideal time where you can wake up by 5 a.m. And this 5 a.m. what it will give you, my dear friends, if normally you wake up by 7 a.m., then if you're waking up 5 a.m., you will get more 2 hours. Okay, if you're getting more 2 hours, then just calculate it with a week. Okay, 14 hours in a week, right? Then calculate it with the month, and then calculate with the year, my dear friends, and finally you will find you are getting 3 extra months in a year. Okay, so don't you think if we are getting 3 extra months in a year, and if we are using it in a productive way, then how it is going to help us, how it is going to mend our life? I'll say it is going to do, my dear friends, it is going to play a very important role in your life. So please wake up at 5 a.m. and what to do, how to do, all those factors we will discuss in detail. Okay, the next thing, my dear friends, which we need to understand here, my dear friends, why now the thing is that you will say reasons why wake up at 5 a.m. We understood here most of the successful people, they wakes up at 5 a.m. Okay, now my dear friend, successful people create more productive time for themselves. That's why they wake up 5 a.m. Okay, and we get more clarity, because when we wake up at 5 a.m., most of the time you will find in your surrounding people are sleeping, even at your home and outside, neighbors and everybody. Okay, so you are getting at least 2 hours pin drop silence, okay, to use in a productive way to mend your life. Because the whole day, my dear friends, we are doing some routine works, okay, by which we get monotonous and another thing comes, okay. But these hours you can, if you are using it wisely, then it will give you a very important, it will play a very important, a very vital role in your life, my dear friends. Reasons first, why we have to wake up early in the morning, because it is more productive time. 5 a.m. is a more productive time, right? And in this productive time you can take your walk which you were postponing for a long time, okay, or because that your mind is so much clear at this time, already it has taken rest, so whatever it will do, it will do it, okay, wisely. The next thing is that, my dear friends, compared to a, nobody is doing anything productive, my dear friends. If you will talk about in the evening, after 10 p.m., okay, any way we spend our time after 10, for example, in watching movie or chit chatting with the family members, or just gossiping, or just watching some serial or something like that, or just getting engaged in the phone. So if you will see from 10 p.m. to 12 p.m. time, most of the time it goes in vain, okay. So if you have to wake up early in the morning, then definitely you will go to bed also early. So it is a very good thing. You will be able to eliminate the worst time, or the time which you are, time, all time is good, all 24 hours are good, okay, my dear friends, Monday to Sunday. And at the same time, my dear friends, each and every date is good. I will say nothing is bad. You don't, we can't say this date is bad or this day is bad. No, there is nothing like that. It's only our thinking, our thought pattern, which is making it bad, right? So nothing is good or bad. Everything makes it so, as Shakespeare says that, my dear friends. Now, compared to a typical early riser, waking up 7 and works from 8 a.m. My dear friends, a typical early riser, he wakes up by 7, starts his work by 8 a.m., okay. But you wake up at 5, you start your work by 6, okay. You get 2 extra hours, as I told you, till 8 a.m. 52 to 60 extra work hour, productive hours every month, my dear friends, you get here. And considering 8 hours work days, you get 7 working days, right, more in a month. And as I told you, my dear friends, 12 months you are getting 3 extra months, and those extra months you can use it for your designed life or your dream life, my dear friends. Please put this 3 months for your dream life. I will tell you, whatever dream you have thought for yourself, my dear friends, give this time to that dream. And please believe in me, you are going to manifest the reality. That dream will not be dream, that dream will become just reality and actualization for you, okay. The next thing, my dear friends, for people waking up at 9 or later, the difference is 6 to 12 months a year. But those people, okay, my dear friends, who wake up by late, there are also people I know, my dear friends, many of them, they wake up by 9 or after that also, okay. Because they don't have time to, if they're watching movie, they will watch till 2 a.m, okay. If they're watching movie till 2 a.m, then definitely they will wake up by somewhere 9 a.m, 10 a.m, 12. Some of my relatives also, okay, I have seen, some of my cousin sisters, they wake up, they're great people, they wake up by 12 also. If the leave is there, if they're not to go for work, okay. One day my Boji was saying, hey, all the girls at this home, they wake up so late. I'm fed up with that, because one of my cousin sisters, she was sleeping that time by 11 a.m. almost, okay. So that answer came. So those people, if they're habitual, or anybody is habitual to waking up by 9, I'll say, my dear friends, these people are 6 to they are almost 6 months, they're going back from the early arisers, okay. So leave them. You have not to go into that category, okay. You are not in that category. That's why you are watching me, or you have attracted me, or you are going through this assignment, or these 5 days procrastination killing boot camp, my dear friends, okay. So the next, what we need to understand here, and next, my dear friends, we need to understand here, reason number 2, reason number 1 I gave you, productive time you are getting. Reason number 2 why you have to wake up early in the morning, that is it transform your belief system, my dear friends. The belief system matters a lot. We are whatever we believe, my dear friends. If you will believe in yourself, then I'll say, my dear friends, I will tell you, whether you believe on somebody else or not, that does not matter. But first and foremost thing to whom you should believe else is just believe in yourself. Okay, many times it happens, people are suffering from self-belief. Okay, they want the stamp of somebody else. Hey, do you think I can do it? Hey, do you think I'm able to do this work? My dear friends, to whom you are searching for, with whose stamp? Okay, people are engaged in their own work. I don't think like that they have a lot of time to think about you and believing in you. Okay, because everybody is victim of this. He is also thinking for that. Is there somebody who can guide me or who can believe in me? Okay, the first thing, understand one thing, my belief in yourself. The moment when you will believe in you, God will believe in you and the whole world will believe in you, right? So the foremost thing you have to believe, especially two people. First, you, second, God. Okay, and after that, just meditate little bit. Try to in tune with the Almighty, this the spirituality, and you will find intuition from inside what to do, what not to do. Then you will not suffer from that doubt mentality. Okay, then you will not find us 1% doubt, because always remember, my dear friends, 99% faith and 1% doubt is equal to 100% value. 99% faith and 1% doubt is equal to 100% value. Only 100% faith is equal to 100% success, or only 100% belief is equal to 100% success. Okay, and the first belief, you have to believe in yourself. My dear friends, you go from feeling behind others to feeling ahead of others. You have not to worry a lot about others' feelings. Okay, what he will think, what he will say. I think he will feel bad, she will feel bad. Hey, my dear friends, if you think like that, that work is going to help you, then go with the flow. Okay, don't wait for people, because the moment when you take decisions, my dear friends, now I'll say, what is right and wrong, our all cells, neurons tells us. Okay, so just even if you want guidance, I'll say go inside and ask guidance from within. Okay, the moment when you ask guidance from within, you will get the guidance. I have worked on mind for a long time, my dear friends, and I have seen mind works like anything. Okay, it has the answer of everything, and it will give you the answer when you will be ready to grab the answer, when you will be ready to listen the answer, right? The next thing, my dear friend, you go from believing you can do it to doing it. You go from believing you can do it to doing it. Means, my dear friend, you have to believe in yourself. I can do it. It is possible, and I can do it on my own. Or if I want the mentoring or guidance of somebody, then I will search the person and I will take the guidance from that person and I will go ahead. Okay, because the main important point is that, my dear friends, you have to commit yourself. I have to do this, because the moment when you will get this belief, nobody can stop you. Even if you do not have resources, or if you do have any problem or doubt or anything like that, you will get the answer, you will get the people, you will get the resources, you will work onto that how to find the resources, and things will be in your hand, my dear friends, right? The next thing is that, which is very much important, and that is, my dear friends, you go from feeling sorry for yourself to respecting yourself, and even boasting about waking up early to others. Matlab, my dear friends, listen, those who wake up late, or those who wake up by 7 a.m., 8 a.m., okay, or 9 a.m., they think they feel very good when they wake up. They say, wow, maza aa gaya, I woke up by 8 a.m. today, 10 a.m. today, wow, what a beautiful sleep I have taken, sound sleep, I'm so happy now, energetic. Have you listened this answer? I am not heard. When they wake up, they inside feel them guilty. Okay, hey, it's 7 a.m., it's 8 a.m., I woke up late, it's not good. When I will wake up at 5 a.m., they ask to themselves, right? Because, my dear friends, remember, our mind, our body, our behavior, human beings are born to know what is right and wrong. If we don't want to know someone other's time, okay, if we are waking up late now, we know it's wrong. When we wake up 5 a.m. now, we will boost up, okay. If anybody will ask, hey, at what time you 5 a.m. okay, but if anybody asks at what time you wake up, and if you wake up at 8 a.m., then what you will say? Almost by 7:30, sometimes 8. You people give this answer, okay, and that person understand she herself or himself is in doubt. It seems that he wakes up after 8 or something like that, okay. So what do you understand, my dear friends? When you will wake up early in the morning now 5 a.m., then you will boast yourself and you will be so much confident, okay. अरे कल वाला किसी ने पूछा तो there is somebody who is asking this, and you will tell him. Even then you will tell him what you do after waking up between 2 hours. That is your power hour, and what you do in that power hour, right? The next thing, my dear friends, you go from feeling that late feeling every day to the being early feeling every single day, okay. Previously what was there was late feeling every day. I wake up late again. But now you will feel that early feeling every day, and this will activate your cells, neurons, your brains, your memory, your mind, your creative thinking, everything, my dear friends. I will tell you, this is very beautiful, okay. And how to maintain that? Might be right now you would have been thinking it's already Jyoti. Some people would be there, they will say it's okay, I will wake up 5, but what will I do? Okay, I don't know what to do. Don't worry, I will tell you also what to do. First thing I told you what you have to do. You have to read your dream, okay, or you have to read what you have written yesterday. You have posted me, okay. I want to live my dream life, because whatever is your reason, just you read it, write it 2 to 3 times, okay. You have to read it daily. Remember, my dear friends, when you wake up and when you go to bed, you have not to make delay here at all, right? So the next thing is that might be reason number 3. Why we have to wake up at 5 a.m. Now, my dear friends, until we will not know the why completely, we will not take the action. That's why this is the last reason why we have to wake up 5 a.m. It is that it transforms your image to the outside world, my dear friends. When you wake up at 5, it transforms your image for the outside world. Even outside world, you will see things differently when you will go out, when you will see the sun, when you will see the plants, when you will see the breeze, okay. Then you will say, oh my god, it was here, I was not able to see for a long time. When you will go for a walk, you will find a pond somewhere near to your flat, okay, or in your colony, and you will be surprised, oh my god, it was here, I was not aware with this, okay. You will find some bird, the chirping, you will listen to the chirping of the bird, that cool breeze, and you will feel yourself in another way. And might even the best part is that you will be able to connect with nature, and that connection matters a lot. Nowadays, my dear friends, we are connected with most of the time with materialistic things. We are not connected with nature, okay, and we are not successful, or we are losing our focus, concentration, success, everything, I'll say, because somewhere we are not connected with nature. The moment you will connect with nature, my dear friends, you will find it will add tremendous value in your life, and your life will be not same as it was previous, right? Your family start respecting you more, and your family will think, "Arey wow, this man, this gentleman, this gentlewoman was going to wake up by 7 a.m., 8 a.m. Now she wakes up by 5 a.m. She's on right path. Who is guiding her? Something is going good." Okay, they will respect you more. They will support you more. And the next thing, my dear friends, your friends start admiring you. Your friends start admiring you. They will appreciate you, and we all love appreciation, my dear friends. The dopamine of appreciation, it is something which boost our energy. Somebody appreciates me, you will say something, hey, it's okay, but we feel so much excited and happy from inside if somebody is appreciating us. The next thing, my dear friends, is very much important again in this respect, and that is your boss, colleagues, business partners admire your performance as you get more work done. Okay, my dear friends, wherever you are, you will find each and everybody is appreciating you. Okay, and they will find your efficiency has increased. You are doing more than previously, okay, and it will give them a very good, very happy signal, okay, to work with you, right, to be with you. They will like your company, they will love you, okay, they will like to spend their time with you. So this will also impact a lot, because they will take you seriously. He's a nice person, he's a gentleman, he's a gentlewoman, she is going to do the work properly, because she's an early ariser. She does, it's not everybody's cup of tea nowadays. Simple things has become difficult, okay, and difficult things has become simple for people, right? And I'll say the success is in the simplicity, not in the complexity. If you want success, be simple, this will give you success, right? The next thing, my dear friends, all of these people who are surrounded by you admires, boosts your energy, they will boost your self-esteem, they will boost your confidence, they will boost in each and every area of your life, okay, and they will help you. I told you, my dear friends, they will be happy, or they will be blessed when they will be with you, because they will think, oh, this person is serious, okay. Serious does not mean you are just wearing long face. I'm not talking about wearing long. Serious means sincerity, honesty, discipline, okay. I'm just taking the word serious in this respect, my dear friends, right? The next thing which will impact your life, and that will be, my dear friends, all of these people believe about you, they will reinforce you, their own belief system will change regarding you, and my dear friends, further they will strengthen you, okay, and these people will make such a company, they will create such a company for you, by which you will be helped and assisted all the time by them, okay. Means, my dear friends, very simple, I can say that when you will be early ariser, everything will support you all around you. People, situation, family, friends, relatives, boss, colleagues, everybody will support you, okay, because they will see something special in you which earlier previously was not there, which now you are able to see, and your people who are around you, they are also able to see. My dear friends, next, you will start loving this life and never want to go back to waking up late again. When you will start living this life, then, my dear friends, next you will be not interested to live your life which you are living late, okay. Means previously which you were living, which you were waking up by late morning, okay. So because, my dear friends, when we do right things, then our own consciousness allows us to do it more, okay. So that's why when you worship, or when you meditate, when you help somebody, when you feed somebody, then you feel so much happy, fulfilled from inside, okay, because that good thing, we are meant to do good things, my dear friends. These are our birthrights, okay. But I understand there are, due to surroundings, or due to our lifestyle, all these things are missing, but we want to come out of all these things, that's why we are here, right? So the next thing, my dear friends, which we are going to understand, how to wake up at 5 a.m, okay. How to wake up at 5 a.m, how is also very much important, my dear friends. Here I will give you some hacks. And what are those hacks? First hack, you will fail just like I did if you, my dear friends, I remember here one thing,